to the channel. Hope you are doing well, guys. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to cut any image on a CNC machine. So let's get started. Across our teaching videos or across this channel and you wanna become a member, just click the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share our project videos with your friends. And also, if you wanna promote us financially, feel free to click the donate button and fill in the amount you feel to donate to our channel.